How to get Xray on Minecraft Java. So first, just open up your browser. Then once you're on your browser, just search for Xray Ultimate, just like so. Then click on the CurseForge link right here. Once you're there, go to Files. And of course, make sure that you have Optifine first. So I have a video for that. So once that's done, just go to Files and click the version that you have or that you want to download. So I'm going to use 1.21 since I'm on that version. Click on that. Then click on download and just wait for the download to finish. So I'm currently downloading it. I've placed it on my desktop, so I'm just gonna exit out of this browser once it's done downloading. Now what you want to do is just open up Minecraft Java Edition and make sure that Optifine is picked. Then click on play and wait for it to open up. Now once Minecraft is open, you simply need to open your game up or open up your world. So I'm just gonna open up mine right here and wait for it to load. So once it's all loaded up, I've just minimized it so that I could show you. So there are other steps. So click on escape, click on options, click on resource packs, and click on open pack folder here at the bottom. Once it's done, you will need to move the mod or the Xray mod that we downloaded onto this file or into this file. So I have mine right here on my desktop since I've put it on my desktop. So just drag it right there. Now I have mine in the folder. Once it's done, just simply click on X and now I can now full screen my Minecraft. Then what you want to do is just simply click on the Xray Ultimate right here, then click on the play icon right there. And once it's there, you just simply need to make sure that it is on top since the one that is on top will be the one that will be the active mod. So first make sure that it is on top just like this. Once it's done, just simply click on done and Minecraft will reload. So as you can see, once Minecraft is done reloading, now you will see that Minecraft is completely X-rayed out just like so. These are the blocks, and I scroll down, as you can see, more blocks will load below right here. So if you see just like that, so that's basically it. You'll just basically see all of the things just right there. So you won't see everything. You will need to just dig further down right here so that you will see what's more here on the bottom. And that's how I basically get Xray on Minecraft Java.